Alright, I'll be demoing UMBRA, a confidential governance DAO. DAO votes are public. That means wheels get washed and copied. Vote buying can work easily because you can prove how you voted and Treasury moves get transformed because the market sees the amounts before it executes. So UMBRA fixes all three using iExec Nox. Let's talk about the mechanism. Files are encrypted clients are before they ever reach the chain. Tallies are encrypted clients. The fail or the pass result goes public, verified on chain with a wave cryptographic proof. Payout only moves as confidential tokens, and it's all built on unmodified OpenZeppelin governance. So let's create a proposal and we will vote on that proposal too. So let's create a proposal. Click on proposals. Let's your wallets. Let's start the wallets. Okay. Here you have let's just set a username. Okay. The reason I'm setting usernames so we can just be inputting our usernames instead of pasting wallet address everywhere. So click on new proposal and here you fill in the details of the proposal. Let's create a new proposal. Proposal for community. I'll say on iExec Nox integration write-up. So put the amount for the grants and set the duration to 10 minutes. Then review exact tallies after the first place. But let's leave that off. So we'll see only the results. If you click it on, you can see the amount of people that voted yes and no. So review and get a review of the proposal. Confirm my grades. So once the proposal are created, we'll have a 15 minutes window to vote for against or abstain. So that's all you can just create your proposal. Let's switch to a different wallet to vote for. So that's this. You can see we have voted already. Let's try with okay, let's try this feature which I added. So I'm going to create a wallet that has no voting power. So you can see this wallet has no voting power. So let's claim now. You can see 100 claim. You click on list your votes. And you can see there's an error message here. Because this wallet just claimed the voting power. Why the proposal was already created, you can't vote on that particular proposal. So that solves the issue in case a proposal is live and someone wants to process with different accounts. You can't just create an account and vote immediately. Every proposal created, a snapshot of voting power is taken to know the amount of people that can vote on that particular proposal. So we just have to wait 15 minutes for the proposal to finalize. The voting period for the proposal has been exhausted, so the voting has closed. So now we're going to finalize on compute encrypted budgets based on the amount of people that paid for or voted against. You can publish verified results. Revealing, sign the transaction, evaluate. Sign transaction, result is published. And you can see it shows passed here, which means the grant has been given. And if we come to here, you can see your view and you can see payout amounts. Only the recipients of the proposal can see the payout amounts. So let's also test the Treasury swap. Click on Treasury swap and fill in the details. Alright, fill in the details for the Treasury swap, and this time I don't only review exactly after the vote, so we can see amount of people that voted for or voted against. So review proposal for my grades. And you can see its size. This is what it's so let's switch to the third wallet. And this will put the balance. Period has ended, so let's finalize complete Encrypted. Publish. Why this? This is one of the features I'm not part of. The treasury swap as series is closed as should the entire voting window. Nobody can see how much down intends to trade until the votes have been passed. Yes. So now we can conceal and reserve the amount. Remember we click on public how this is public review, so we can click that and you can see featured school, featured for and voted against. Which chosen for amounts now also. So that's basically all about the treasury swaps and collecting a proposal. We also have activities here you can see all recent activities that happened on the DAO. And auto, this is where you can select or the DAO can designate an auditor. It's instantly clearance on everything else. So that's all about UMBRA. Everything else when you just go here